AI is the biggest money-making opportunity for 2026. But most of you will never get started because of this. And today, I'll share with you 5 amazing ways to make money with AI in 2026 that actually work. And if you watch this video till the very end, I'll also share 3 powerful courses to help you learn AI. But first, let me explain what AI has done to the way work is done and value is created. Today, in a world where I can automate a lot of the tasks people do every day, every junior role in coding, finance, accounting, sales, and marketing is slowly being replaced by tools. Which means if you only have basic knowledge in a field and want to start making money, you've probably already been replaced by AI. So if you want to earn with AI in 2026, you need to be smarter. Even before I tell you the methods, understand these 3 mindset shifts. The first one is to think in terms of agentic automation. Always think in workflows. Ask yourself, how can I build systems that make life easier for companies? Second, understand that prompt engineering is getting outdated. Context engineering is the real skill. It's about how much and what kind of information you give AI to get the best results. And third, realize that only about 5 to 10% of people are actually using AI properly right now. Which means there is still massive opportunity to create value and build income in the coming years. With that in mind, here's the first way to make money with AI. The first method is stealing customers from your competitors using AI. Here's how it works. You create a system that scans review platforms like Trustpilot and finds 1 to 2-star reviews of your competitors. These are unhappy customers actively looking for better solutions. Then you find their LinkedIn profiles and emails using tools like Apollo. Once you have their contact, you send a simple email like, "Hey, we noticed you had a bad experience with this product. We've solved that exact problem. Let's hop on a quick 5-minute call." Someone on Twitter tested this method. He found 290 bad reviews, identified 203 people, and reached out via email. His reply rate was 11%, leading to 23 replies, 19 booked calls, and 8 closed clients, each worth around $4,000. That's over $35,000 generated. If you charge even 10 to 15% commission, that's over $5,000 from one simple workflow. And the best part? You can repeat this for multiple companies. Next, let's talk about learning AI. A recent survey found that over 69% of young people use AI tools for problem solving, but most treat it like a search engine. That's a mistake. Here are 3 powerful courses to level up. AI for Everyone by deeplearning.ai, perfect for beginners. Generative AI Engineering by IBM, hands-on AI app building. Prompt Engineering by Vanderbilt, Master AI Communication. You can find these on Coursera and start building real skills. Now let's move to the next method. Another way to make money is by recording your voice using 11 Labs and earning from it. It's an AI voice platform where people use different voices for videos, audiobooks, and content. You can upload your own voice, and whenever someone uses it, you earn a percentage. Set it once, and it becomes passive income. Next method, become an AI consultant. Many businesses want to use AI but don't know how. You can create content about AI tools, automation, and productivity. Add a simple booking link like Calendly. Businesses will book calls, and you can train their employees, build AI workflows, automate their processes. Companies are willing to pay $500 to $2,000 per training session, and even more for full automation systems. Plus, you can charge monthly retainers. Next, if you're a beginner, you can work with creators. Offer services like writing LinkedIn posts, creating thumbnails, designing content. Use AI to match their style and tone. You can easily charge $50 to $150 a month for content, $5 to $10 per thumbnail or design. Working with a few clients, you can make $500 to $1,000 per month. And finally, the last method is building websites for local businesses. Look for small shops, clinics, real estate offices. If they don't have a website, that's your opportunity. Use tools like Replit or Lovable to create a simple site using AI. Then approach them and say, "Hey, I built this website for your business." You can have it for $50 to $100. You can also offer maintenance for $10 to $30 a month. Many businesses will happily pay for this because it improves their online presence. And these are the 5 easiest ways to make money with AI in 2026. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Check out the course links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.